everyone, welcome to EliteExpertise. I'm Dr. Saudamni Sinha and today we have with us ATHIRA. Hi ATHIRA, welcome to EliteExpertise and congratulations on clearing your KAPS exam. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling very happy today because it was my great ambition to pass KAPS and be an Australian pharmacist. So my first step is in success now. And I'm very happy and I'm very thankful for Elite, my teachers and all the members in Elite.
Okay, so what is your educational background? Where did you complete your B Pharm, M Pharm, PharmD from?
I have completed B Pharm in 2018 and I have been working as a pharmacist for last 5 years. And now I dropped my job and came to KAPS coaching. Since I have my daughter, my 3-year-old daughter, I plan to resign the job and concentrate on my studies.
Okay,
And
so why did you choose EliteExpertise and why Australia?
because I think there is more work-life balance in Australia. And moreover, we can take the exam and get the PR from our home country itself.
Right.
So I think it's a better option for pharmacists. And for Elite, one of my colleagues suggested Elite, Sulfikar, and he suggested me just to watch their mocks and all. And when I went to the YouTube videos, it was impressive, and I decided to join Elite.
Okay. So how many hours did you study and in how many days did you complete your KAPS?
I have joined the November batch. I was there from the beginning of the November batch class that is from July last.
Okay.
And for studying, for initial 1 month, I was just listening to the lectures and there was not much studying. But for the last 2 months, I was studying 8 hours, 6 to 8 hours a day.
Okay. So do you have anything for a future pharmacist? What would you like to tell them?
Okay, I will tell you can choose Elite without any doubt because we have excellent teachers. They help us in all our doubts are cleared. They help us to even ma'am help us to calm down our what doubts and everything. She helped us a lot, and sir, and even all the members in Elite are so helpful. They help us with any doubts at any time. They are available at any time, even at night we message them, they will get the reply, and everyone was so helpful. And you can blindly go with Elite. Even OPRA exams are coming, but I have don't doubt because we have excellent faculties and they will help us.
Thank you so much, ATHIRA, for your interview, and we wish you all the very best, and we hope to see you in Australia very soon. Thank you so much, and all the very best.